Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm excited to share with you how to order from two different places on Uber Eats. Let's dive right in. First, open the Uber Eats app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now, search for the first restaurant from which you want to order. Browse through the menu and select the item you want to order. Once you are satisfied with the item, tap on the Add to Cart button located at the bottom. After you've added everything you want from the first restaurant, don't proceed to checkout. Instead, hit the back button to return to the main screen. Now, search for the second restaurant. Again, browse through their menu, select the item you want to order, and then add the items to your cart. Once you've selected items from both places, go to the cart section by tapping on the View Cart button. Uber Eats allows you to order from multiple places at once. Now, you can proceed to checkout. Review your order to make sure everything is correct. Then, place your order. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more YouTube tutorials. Thanks for watching.